All right, so here's the new input jack I put in the socket. Just screws in, hand tight with the socket. Make sure you got your washer in the back. This one came with one in the front too. So this will, see how these wires are clipped? So the wiring kit I bought, I've never had one before, like it's an obsidian wire kit, it's called. And it has these little clips where you push the wires into so it's solderless. I don't know, I haven't heard much about them, but we'll give them a shot and see how good they are. There's those. Okay, and then I pre-clip these body ground and tremolo ground. And I'll bring you over here and I'll show you this wiring kit. Okay, so it's comes all this one piece, your volume and your tone controls, your 5-way switch. You see this little gray block? All your wires go in those little slots there and they clip in from your pickups and your grounds and your output jack. Everything goes into there and clips in. We'll try it, see how it goes. There's a little better look at that block. Right there, see those little tab you push down? And then you insert the wire. There's a diagram that came with it so you know which wire goes in which slot for each pickup and that. And I got the pickup switched over. And I went ahead and adjusted the pole pieces. So like I said in the last video, what I did was when I had the pickups out, I took the 7.25 gauge, which is my radius on the guitar neck, and I adjusted the poles so they're pretty darn close to that. All right, I'm gonna clip these in. I'll be back.